Hey guys, just wanted to share with you, I was unboxing this vintage style shower set right here, which is ideal for a Clawtooth bathtub. And this is so cool. I just had to share this. Look at this thing with the white handles. That is quite a throwback. Nice polished, sleek look. So modern in some ways as far as function goes. I mean, check this out. Modern function right there, but look at the overall look. Quite the throwback. That is just cool to me. And the shower head rests upon this thing right here. One of those old style phones. So this is pretty cool. And of course we got the modern hosing. Obviously this is more for function and form. But we're going to try this out. I'm going to get this all installed and try this out and really see how it works. See if it functions well. And we're going to go ahead and write some words on it. But overall it feels nice and solid. Good materials. Nice coating on here. Like that anti-rust coating. So it feels like good material so far. We'll put it to the test for a while and write some words. Thanks for checking it out.